Hi everyone, here we are tonight at the new house here, still on the temporary little layout here, fast track. Got the old Flying Yankee back out. We have the second car back there primered up. Never really got down on the restoration for this one, but I am going to do it here over the next 2 months. Yeah, man, this thing just runs great. It's an outstanding train. I can't believe that it's running on this fast track. I've never ran it on anything but 072 before. I mean, this thing it does fly. As you can see, it's in pretty good condition, other than needing a paint job. Been thinking of maybe painting it blue and white to be the blue streak, since I can't seem to get this chrome to come back, but came back pretty nice on the engine. Oh, it's got some pits in here and there, but overall the engine came back pretty nice. As far as the rest of the train goes, you know, some of the vegetables cleaned up nice, but I've removed some of the rust on this second car here. This thing was just a pile of rust when I got it. And I did try some of the chrome spray paint on this vestibule. It came out not so good. You get a fingerprint on there, which is terrible. But other than that, yeah, I don't know if that, you know, you call that chrome. I don't. You know, I was just testing it to see how it would look, but it does reflect, you know, down on here, you can see. And then this car, I did take apart and primer it all out. You know, they're definitely going to need some type of refinishing to look good. And the last car here, the observation car, the 618 car, this gives you an idea of how bad I have done the least work on this one. And you know, it's just flaking, and it needs restored in some way. Had to bath it in DW40, the trucks, just to get them to move and get this back piece. I have had this off, but I put it back on to run it again. You know, this bottom piece here was kind of just rusted onto it, but after soaking, it did detach from the other piece. And I do have all the trim pieces and the original inserts, but however, I was thinking on this of you know, putting maybe like the passenger 2500 series people back in it, just to see how that would look. You know, if they don't look any good, I will. You know, this was just caked with layers and layers of rust. But I have that removed, and that's what you see underneath. This car here was basically the same way, but I have it now. You know, this was like the test car, and it came out pretty nice, and I think it can be refinished. So we're going to end up doing something as far as refinishing this set. So, because it just runs too good not to do it. Like I said, I can't believe this is even running on the 3036 fast track. I didn't think that it would, but it does. Can you just hear how smooth that thing runs, man? I mean, what a smooth runner it is. You know, I didn't even oil it tonight before running it. You hear a couple little squeaks there. Those are from the wheel sets. I just thought I'd get it back out tonight and wind it back up. Let's see how it would do on this track. And so far, so good. I thought if anything I would just run the engine a little bit just to run it. It hasn't been ran in so long. And this is train fly. Now I know why they call them the Flying Yankee. Like I said, I am going to get this done this summer. I promised myself that. That this set will look good again. It may not be re-chromed, probably won't be, but it will be unique and it will be mine. This is a yard sale find here. Well, you should have heard my wife talking to me about buying a pile of rust for, I think it was $80. But there you see the pile of rust. Good old Lionel running like a banshee. There it is, the Flying Yankee. Still unrestored, but getting ready to be restored here shortly. Like I said, I hate to ruin the engine. I may end up trading someone for this engine, or trading to get some better passenger cars. I just don't know. I know these ones are going to be restored, and most likely to the blue streak configuration of blue and white. Once again, this is Kenny Ballman at Lionel for Less. I thank you guys for watching tonight. And happy railroading, everyone. God bless.